In 2025, artificial intelligence is no longer just an emerging technology, it's a workplace revolution. From retail to radiology, AI is automating jobs faster than experts expected, and the effects are being felt globally. Here are 10 facts that reveal how AI is transforming the job market in real time. Fact number 1, over 300 million jobs are at risk worldwide. According to a 2025 IMF report, AI and automation could affect over 300 million full-time jobs across the globe, with white-collar roles increasingly vulnerable, not just manual labor. Fact number 2, customer service is rapidly being automated. AI-powered chatbots now handle more than 85% of customer service queries for major companies. Many firms have reduced or eliminated call center teams, relying on 24/7 AI assistants. Fact number 3, generative AI is replacing creative roles. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Sora are creating marketing copy, video ads, even short films. Graphic designers, content writers, and video editors are seeing reduced demand and downward pressure on wages. Fact number 4, financial analysts are being outperformed. AI models now outperform human analysts in stock prediction, fraud detection, and portfolio management. Major investment firms are shifting to hybrid teams where algorithms lead the decision-making. Fact number 5, legal and paralegal jobs are shrinking. AI systems can now draft contracts, summarize case law, and review legal documents in minutes. Law firms are hiring fewer junior associates and turning to automation for routine legal work. Fact number 6, AI is reading medical scans better than humans. In radiology, dermatology, and diagnostics, AI is now detecting anomalies with higher accuracy than some doctors. Hospitals are adopting these systems to cut costs and reduce diagnostic errors. Fact number 7, retail and food services are becoming contactless. Self-checkout kiosks, AI order systems, and robot chefs are replacing retail cashiers and fast food workers. In major cities, fully autonomous restaurants and stores are already operating. Fact number 8, education is shifting to AI tutors. AI-powered learning platforms are replacing traditional tutors, offering personalized lessons, grading assignments, and tracking student progress, cutting demand for private educators. Fact number 9, entire roles are being rebranded or eliminated. Companies are reclassifying job titles or phasing them out entirely. For example, data entry clerk and travel agent are now nearly extinct in some regions, replaced by AI-driven systems. Fact number 10, governments are scrambling to adapt. In 2025, countries like Canada, South Korea, and Germany are piloting universal basic income, UBI, and AI tax models to counter job displacement. Policymakers now face urgent pressure to reskill workers. AI isn't coming for the future of work, it's already here. As jobs evolve or disappear entirely, adaptation will be the key to survival. Subscribe to 10 Trove Facts to stay ahead of the curve in tech, work, and global change.